The Mandarin duck, Ix galericulata, is a small, colorful perching duck native to East Asia. It is well known for its striking appearance, especially the males, which are adorned with a rich palette of vibrant colors. The males have a red bill, large white crescent above the eyes, and an array of bright orange feathers that extend backward from the face. Their bodies are a mix of purple, white, and copper, with a vivid blue-green sheen on their wings. In contrast, females are less colorful, with a more muted gray and white plumage, though they still have distinctive white eye rings and subtle patterns on their bodies. Mandarin ducks are found in areas with dense, wooded regions near water bodies such as rivers, lakes, and ponds. These birds are migratory, traveling between breeding and wintering grounds, although some populations remain sedentary in milder climates. They build their nests in tree cavities close to water, often quite high off the ground. Socially, Mandarin ducks are mostly monogamous, forming long-lasting pair bonds. In East Asian culture, these birds are often seen as symbols of love, fidelity, and marital happiness due to their strong pair bonding behavior. Their diet consists of a variety of food sources, including aquatic plants, small fish, insects, and seeds. They forage in shallow water, often tipping forward in a behavior known as dabbling to access food beneath the water's surface. Mandarin ducks are known for their agility and grace in flight, and their wings make a distinct whistling sound when they take off. Conservation efforts have helped stabilize some populations, but their status remains of concern in certain regions. In areas where they have been introduced, such as parts of Europe, they have become established and thrive in man-made habitats like city parks and gardens. Another remarkable feature of these ducks is their ability to adapt to different environments. While they are native to East Asia, they have been introduced to other parts of the world, including Europe and North America. In these regions, they have adapted well, often living in parks and ornamental lakes where they have access to food and shelter. Breeding season is a particularly interesting time for Mandarin ducks. Males engage in elaborate courtship displays to attract mates, often preening their feathers, stretching their necks, and showing off their bright colors to females. The males often emit a low, soft whistle, while females have a more pronounced quack, which they use to call to their ducklings or warn of potential dangers. In terms of behavior, Mandarin ducks are more solitary outside of the breeding season, forming loose flocks mainly during migration. Overall, the Mandarin duck is a remarkable species both for its visual appeal and its significance in various cultural contexts. Their unique appearance, fascinating behavioral traits, and symbolic importance make them a subject of admiration across the world.